Oh, hey guys, Greg with the G. Bacher Adventure Chronicles. Welcome to the channel. I am in the Florida Keys, and I am actually at one of the several state parks that they happen to have in Florida. This one here happens to be Bahia Honda State Park, and I'm kind of hoping to be able to get a night camping here. I'm not sure if that's going to work out, only because there's a lot of people here. They don't have that many campsites, and you have to make reservations like a year in advance. But I'm gonna try. So anyways, we'll get some pictures and at least, if anything, ride around this park and see what it's all about. Somebody's got a lure hung up in the electrical lines. This looks to be one of the campgrounds that they have available here. They have like 80 sites, but sounds like they're pretty well filled up. They have showers up there, which is nice. Yellow flag today. Oh, who knows? I'm going to check at the ranger station a little later and see if I can at least get a spot here for one night. Looks like there are some sites available, but we'll see. If I can, that'd be awesome. If I can't, it's not a big deal. It's a good day, riding my e-bike, having an adventure. Yes, lots of beach. Right there is a man of war that is washed up on shore. Very pretty, but they are very, very dangerous. You don't want to get stung by them. The tentacles can be up to 30 feet long. It's crazy. Well, I think I'm going to head up to the ranger station just to see if it's even a possibility of getting a night here. It really appears to be really a cool camp, or a cool state park. I mean, like I said, they have a couple campgrounds here, 80 sites. They do have a huge picnic area. They also have a lot of beach, and this is probably the sandiest beach that I have seen anywhere along here, so that's pretty cool. Well, guess what, guys? We got a campsite. I'm happy. So I'm gonna go check it out because there's a small bridge, or a low bridge, that I actually have to go under. So we're gonna check that out and see what that's gonna entail. I'm actually gonna be in the Bayside Campground. There's actually somebody parked in my campsite, but I'm going to show you the campsites. They're pretty cool. There's 77, 78, 79, right there. And my campsite is actually right there. There happens to be a little van parked there. So I'll have to let them know when I get here. Right across here is a little quarry, she calls that, which there's no swimming allowed there. It's pretty deep. It looks like it's got a riptide. And those are the little cabins across there. You can kind of see 1, 2, 3, and they're like duplexes. So they're like 2 cabins per building. So anyways, pretty cool. Yeah, I'm pretty excited. We're gonna go camping tonight. Well, today I do have my Napier truck bed tent. That's the tent I'm going to use here. So we'll get that set up here real quick. And this is my air mattress, which I'll put inside there to give me some cushion tonight. do a little bit of walk around. Here you go. Check it out. Yep, my Napier Sports truck bed tent. As a matter of fact, there's actually a fly that I can put over top of that. I'm gonna look at that. Doesn't look like it's gonna be a rain. If there's no rain, I'm not gonna worry about putting the fly on. I'm just gonna leave it open like that so I can get plenty of fresh air. But yeah, it works pretty slick on the truck like that. Come on around. You can kind of see it. That gives you plenty of room inside here, that's for sure. Lots of ventilation, so that shouldn't be an issue. Got a nice little porch here. And that's my view out my back door. Pretty cool. A little cloudy right now, sun's under the clouds, but that's okay, it cooled off a little bit. Gotta get the rest of the tent set up, so get my air mattress put in there, get all my gear put in there, and kind of go from there. Whew. Holy cow. I have an air pump for this mattress, but unfortunately it requires a 12-volt pump or a 12-volt plug to work the 12-volt pump. I just realized my truck does not have a 12-volt plug in it. So I had to inflate this whole thing by hand or by mouth. Check this out. This is like a double-sided air mattress. It's pretty big. Wow, that's just crazy. That's my bed for the night. Should be really nice and comfy. Today, I brought my Camp Robert bedroll by Big Agnes. It's a very lightweight sleeping bag, and it's going to be a warm one tonight, so it's going to be plenty warm for me, that's for sure. There, nice comfy chair. One tigers. Here's camp all set up. My e-bike, picnic table, camp, chairs, my little awning. We're good to go. Check out the Gulf of Mexico. Sun's starting to set. I think what we're going to do today, or this evening before I make dinner, is we're going to ride up to the bridge, the Bahia Honda Bridge, and check out the sunset. The sun is going down now, so it might be kind of pretty to see that. We are walking up the trail. It'll take us to the bridge. If I'm not mistaken, this is probably the old railroad grade from back when it was a railroad grade. I was reading that sign back there that said they started turning the railroad bridges into the overseas highway, and so they converted all the train bridges to roads so they could drive. So anyways, yeah, we're gonna check out the Bahia Honda Bridge. There's the view of the Atlantic Ocean. Getting dark. I gotta get my grill going. I gotta get my brats cooking. So we'll get that started right now. Cheers, guys. Awesome. Okay guys, it is 8:30 and yeah, it's very peaceful out here tonight, but I think I'm gonna call it a night. I'm just gonna sit out here and kind of listen to the water and whatnot and the critters that are out there. It's actually kind of funny because there's been kind of like a little critter meandering around the campsite here. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but I've seen it. It's like a little I don't know, it's just a little rodent or something that's been running around checking things out. But nonetheless, I think I'm going to call it a night. I'm gonna sit by the campfire, well, not so much campfire, sit by the charcoal fire, or whatnot, and then hit the hay. And I'll catch up with you in the morning. See you later, guys. Good night.